All right, Cash, what did we just do?
We just bought a fucking boat.
Hell yeah, we did. And what's wrong with this boat?
Everything.
Everything is wrong with this boat. That is a true statement. But, what are we gonna do with this boat, Cash?
Fix it up and go fishing. Let's take fishing trips.
Fuck yeah, we are.
Hey, people.
We'll do charters off this boat. Oh man, it's a 1970 Thunderbird Iroquois.
You think you could sell that engine for anything?
Scrap metal.
How much? 30 bucks?
Probably. It'd be 30 bucks we can put towards a new one.
Yeah. Life jackets, maybe those 30 bucks.
Yeah.
16.
What do we got here? We got a flip-flop, a can of WD-40.
More life jackets.
We got life jackets.
Some life jackets.
We got a wooden box that I'm gonna throw out of this boat because it's a piece of trash. I've got a bad alternator on the ground. Got an engine that's not worth a shit. Stern drive that doesn't look like it's in bad condition. He said he just put the swim deck on. It's made out of cherry wood. Battery that's, we'd probably get a $15 deposit on the battery. Oh, that's a window for a house or something. What we got here? We got a steering wheel. More life jackets. Got all the life jackets we need. Cash. It's all worth it. We got a horn. Meet.
Does it actually work?
I bet if you blew through it. I'll just put that under my engine hood on my car. We got an old roll of duct tape. Nonetheless, this is gonna be a pretty dope fishing boat.